Hello everyone. Today's video will guide you on how to delete search history in Google Chrome. First, open up Google Chrome web browser in your PC. Then you click on the three dots at the top right corner of the Google homepage. Select History. Here you can see all your search histories in Google Chrome. Now, to remove or delete these search histories, you click on Settings. Then you select Privacy and Security. Now you can choose the Delete Browsing Data option. Or after clicking on the three dots, you select Delete Browsing Data and this will pop up. Now you select only the browsing history and you unselect the cookies and other site data and the cached image and files. So after selecting the browsing history, you can also choose the time range of history to delete. It could be 24 hours or all history, so you select all time. Once that is done, you click on the delete button. Now, all your search history has been deleted. If we check again, you can see we cannot find it here again. So that is how to delete search histories in Chrome. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye guys, see you in the next video.